Hello guys, welcome back to new video. I'm Harshvardhan. In this video, we'll be discussing about secondary income sources for the students because students will be very dependent on their parents for their income. So they can't ask the money from their parents for every time. We need to have some sort of secondary income source, right? So on the topic, Lohit is already doing videos on the topic. So you can go to his channel for those type of videos. So first of all, Lohit, please introduce yourself.
Hi guys, thanks for having me in your podcast, bro. So I'm Loit and I'm studying in VIT AP only. I'm studying in integrated MTech course. So as of now, I'm in third sem. So that's all about me.
Can students manage their studies and as well as side hustles?
Yeah, definitely they can, bro. So I have been asked this question many times, but uh, I just want to say everyone that if you're thinking like that, it's just an excuse. That's it. So it's already happening with lots of students. So I have lots of my friends doing something parallelly with the studies. So don't think that I'm rude, but instead of wasting your time hanging out with your friends and doing useless things, I would definitely prefer you to do something which is beneficial for you. So
So
if you come to that question, can we manage both studies and our side income, like side hustles and all? You can definitely. So stop wasting time on other things and start focusing on something which can make you money.
what is the best time to start and what sort of activities can be rewarding for students?
As I said in my channel previously, everyone has something in them, like talent or a skill. So we need to observe it and find out the ways that we can generate money from that. So after that, find any expert in that field and go to YouTube. As of now, we know that YouTube has everything, right? We don't need to pay some extra money to know need to pay some extra money to learn some courses and all. Everything is available in YouTube only. So after understanding what you have to do, so go to YouTube and find someone who is already doing that. So study them and observe them and start implementing that in your business, like in your side hustle. That's it.
Okay, in our college, most of the students will be studying in CSC, right? What about them? Like, if they go into these other activities and stuff, what about their career and are they getting distracted from these activities and all?
No, no, not at all, bro. But in this scenario, we need to choose another way. So actually, we can earn some side income from coding also. A lot of people already know that, but they're not implementing that. I have a friend who is studying in EC in our college only. Like, he's studying in VIT AP only. So he's taking projects from other friends and all, and charging some price for that. So he already know that, like he already know the knowledge about that project. So he's getting money from that also. So similarly, if you know about CSS or HTML or any other backend or front end developing, you can search clients and do some work for them. Like you can also create a team and start developing some websites and apps and start selling them. So
So,
similarly, you can also go for game development, application development, open source, etc., etc.
whatever might be their field, they should be like efficient in their work and they should have skills to develop some uh, income based on their education also. So that's what you want to tell, right?
So what I want to say is you can also earn from that field also. So you can earn from coding field also. It's not at all a problem. You can also build your knowledge and you can also improve your skills by doing something in that only. So start implementing something and earn some side income for yourself only. That's it.
Yeah, it's not about education itself. Like you can do marketing stuff also like that, or else some
Yeah.
blogging articles like that. You can earn through these activities also. Like it's not about
Yeah.
only about pure technical knowledge. You can have other skills also to earn money. So, Lohit, what are the most paid jobs in freelancing and secondary source income?
Mm. So these things can always change according to the time. But as of now, I can prefer to choose affiliate marketing and drop shipping and video editing and content creation and social media management. There are lots of other stuffs also. I have already mentioned that in my channel. So you guys can choose anything. So you can go and check out my channel to know more about how to earn money and start something about that. What is the final advice that I want to give is, guys, we have a lot of resources in YouTube only. Go to YouTube and search something and start something. That's it. That's the only thing that I want to say.
Okay, one more thing I want to advise you guys is if you don't want to deviate from your academic stuff and try to focus on only your studies and all, you can do earn from that as well. Like there are many clients who wants websites for their companies and all, so you can learn HTML, CSS, and like front end stuff, and you can earn from that as well. And there are many domains in computer science which are highly paid, and you can start uh, like you can do as an intern and earn as well. So there are many opportunities in the market. So what I want to say is all you need is just focus.
Yeah, and also we used to listen this on from our parents, right? You're distracting from your studies and all. Feel the same like that. You can choose your field from coding only and improve your skills and non-technical skills like communication and all. So it is not at all a problem for your career also.
One more important job which I want to tell you guys is like there are many platforms which are providing basic coding stuff like coding ninjas, Geeks for Geeks. These all will have some students as their students who solve some important questions which are asked by other students. Like if you are well educated in that field, you can answer those questions and get some bounties as well.